Welcome back to Mysteries of Mythology. Today, we embark on a journey through our solar system, uncovering the myths and legends that ancient civilizations wove around the celestial bodies. From the fiery tales of Mars to the enigmatic deities linked to distant Neptune, we'll explore how the planets, moons, and stars have shaped mythological beliefs across cultures. Firstly, we have to start with our sun. The sun, central to our solar system, has been a figure of awe and worship across various cultures, often personified as a deity. In ancient Egyptian mythology, it was Ra, the sun god, who traveled across the sky each day, bringing light and warmth to the world. The Greeks had Helios, who drove his chariot across the heavens, and later, Apollo, who became associated with the sun's life-giving properties. In Norse mythology, the sun is personified by Sol, chased eternally across the sky by the wolf Skoll, symbolizing the daily cycle and the eventual end of the world at Ragnarok. For the Aztecs, Tonatiuh was the sun god, requiring human sacrifices to keep the sun moving and the world from ending. This celestial body, known scientifically as the sun or Sol, which is Latin meaning sun, has its daily journey, vital role in sustaining life, and power to both give and take away, making it a universal symbol of creation, life, and divine authority in human mythology. Mercury, named after the Roman messenger god, Mercury, known for his speed and agility. This planet is the closest to the sun, reflecting its swift orbit, much like the deity who could travel between worlds in an instant. Mercury's surface is marked by numerous craters, a testament to its unprotected journey through space, mirroring the god's adventurous and often perilous travels. Venus, named after the Roman goddess of love and beauty, Venus is shrouded in clouds, perhaps symbolizing the mystery and allure of love. Its atmosphere is thick with sulfuric acid clouds, a stark contrast to the goddess's association with beauty and grace. Venus rotates very slowly and in the opposite direction to most planets, adding to its enigmatic nature. Earth, uniquely devoid of a mythological name, is known for its rich biodiversity and the only known place in the universe where life thrives. Its blue and green visage is a testament to water and vegetation, making it a haven in the vast cosmos. Earth's atmosphere, composed mainly of nitrogen and oxygen, supports life, while its dynamic weather systems create an ever-changing environment, reflecting the diverse tapestry of human culture and nature. Moon, known as Selene in Greek mythology, symbolizing the goddess of the moon, and Luna in Roman, the moon has been central in human culture, mythology, and science. It governs the tides, influences animal behavior, and has been a beacon for explorers since the dawn of time. Its surface is marked by craters, mountains, and vast plains, a silent witness to cosmic impacts over billions of years. Mars, named after the Roman god of war, Mars captivates with its blood-red appearance, reminiscent of battlefields. It's a planet of extremes, with vast canyons like Valles Marineris and towering volcanoes such as Olympus Mons, suggesting a tumultuous past. Mars has thin air, primarily CO2, and its surface is covered in iron-rich dust, giving it its characteristic color. Mars moons, Phobos, named after the Greek personification of fear, a son of Ares, Mars's Greek counterpart. It orbits Mars so closely that it rises and sets twice a day from the Martian surface. Phobos is heavily cratered and is slowly spiraling inward, destined to either collide with Mars or disintegrate into a ring system. Deimos, named after the Greek personification of dread, is the smaller, more distant moon of Mars. It has a smoother appearance compared to Phobos, with fewer craters, suggesting it might be less battered by impacts. Deimos orbits Mars once every 30 hours, appearing almost stationary in the Martian sky. Jupiter, named for the king of the Roman gods, Jupiter is a behemoth with its massive size and powerful magnetic field dominating the solar system. Its atmosphere, with bands of clouds, storms like the Great Red Spot, and lightning, showcases the planet's dynamic nature. Jupiter's numerous moons add to its celestial court, much like Zeus in Greek mythology. Jupiter's moons. Io, named after a lover of Zeus, is the most volcanically active body in the solar system, with hundreds of volcanoes spewing sulfur and silicate lava across its surface, painting it in vibrant colors. Europa, another of Zeus's lovers, is covered by an icy shell, potentially hiding a vast ocean beneath, sparking interest in the possibility of life. Its surface is crisscrossed with lines and fractures, hinting at dynamic activities below. Ganymede, the largest moon in the solar system, Ganymede, named after Zeus's cupbearer, has a magnetic field and possibly an ocean sandwiched between layers of ice and rock, making it a fascinating world of its own. Callisto, named after yet another of Zeus's lovers, Callisto is heavily cratered, indicating an ancient, unresurfaced landscape. Its surface might hide a subsurface ocean, making it another candidate for astrobiological exploration. Amalthea, named for the goat nymph who nursed Zeus, Amalthea is small, irregular, and red, possibly due to sulfur from Io. It orbits very close to Jupiter, making it one of the closest moons to its planet. Saturn, named for the Roman god of agriculture, time, and liberation, is renowned for its spectacular ring system, which symbolizes the cycles of life and time. Its atmosphere, rich in hydrogen and helium, hosts storms and a hexagonal jet stream at the North Pole, showcasing its unique meteorological phenomena. Saturn's moons. Titan, a large moon, Titan, named after the Greek Titans, has a thick atmosphere and lakes of methane and ethane, making it one of the most Earth-like places in terms of surface complexity, though with vastly different chemistry. Enceladus, named after a Titan, Enceladus is famous for its cryovolcanoes, spewing water vapor and ice particles into space, suggesting a subsurface ocean and potential habitability. Tethys, another Titan. Tethys is known for its massive impact crater, Odysseus, which covers almost half its diameter, giving it a distinctive appearance. Dione, named for a Titaness, Dione has a surface marked by bright cliffs and dark chasms, indicating a geologically active past. Rhea, named after the Titaness mother of Zeus, Rhea is the second largest moon of Saturn, showing signs of an ocean beneath its icy surface. Hyperion, named after a Titan, Hyperion is unique for its sponge-like appearance and irregular shape, tumbling chaotically as it orbits. Iapetus, another Titan, Iapetus is known for its two-tone coloration, with one side dark and the other bright, an enigma that has puzzled scientists. Uranus, named after the Greek sky god, Uranus is distinctive for its extreme axial tilt, causing it to rotate on its side. This peculiar orientation, likely the result of a massive collision, gives it a unique seasonal cycle. Its blue-green appearance is due to methane in the atmosphere, which absorbs red light, and it possesses a faint, dark ring system, making it a planet that visually and physically stands out in the solar system. Uranus moons Oberon, named after the fairy king in Shakespeare, linked to mythology, Oberon is the second largest moon, with a heavily cratered surface and a possible subsurface ocean. Titania, named after the fairy queen, shows signs of geological activity with fault valleys and ancient impact basins. Ariel, named for a spirit in Shakespeare, Ariel has a young surface with few craters, suggesting recent geological activity. Umbriel, named after a shadow spirit in literature with mythological undertones, Umbriel is one of the darkest objects in the solar system, with a very old surface. Miranda, named for a character in Shakespeare, Miranda has a bizarre, varied terrain, including enormous canyons and cliffs, hinting at a dramatic geological past. Neptune, named after the Roman god of the sea, Neptune embodies the mystique and power of oceanic depths with its deep blue hue caused by methane gas absorbing red light in its atmosphere. As the eighth planet from the Sun, it features ferocious weather systems, including the solar system's strongest winds at speeds up to 1,300 miles per hour, outpacing Earth's fiercest hurricanes. These winds create massive storms like the Great Dark Spot, akin to Jupiter's Great Red Spot, but shorter-lived. In mythology, Neptune, akin to Greek Poseidon, wields a trident, symbolizing his command over the sea, earthquakes, and horses. Depicted as a regal yet tempestuous figure, his nature mirrors the ocean's unpredictability, capable of both calm passage and devastating storms, reflecting a dual aspect of creation and destruction, revered and feared alike. Neptune's moons. Named after Neptune's sun, Triton is geologically active, with geysers of nitrogen gas and water ice. orbiting in the opposite direction of Neptune's rotation, suggesting it was captured by the planet. Proteus. Named for a sea god who could change shapes, Proteus is irregularly shaped and heavily cratered, showing no signs of resurfacing. Nereid. Named for the sea nymphs. Nereid has one of the most eccentric orbits of any known moon, taking it far from Neptune at times. Pluto. Named after the Roman god of the underworld, who was known for his stoic and stern demeanor, ruling over the dead with a sense of order and justice. Pluto was once considered the 9th planet, but is now classified as a dwarf planet. The Roman Pluto is equivalent to Greek Hades, who similarly governed the underworld, often portrayed as distant from other gods, with a grim yet fair nature. Pluto, the celestial body, echoes this enigmatic character, with its heart-shaped region on its icy surface, known as Tombaugh Regio, adding to the mystique and intrigue of this distant, shadowy world. Pluto's moons, or at least what we thought they were, Charon. Named after the ferryman of Hades, Charon orbits in such a way that Pluto and Charon are tidally locked, always facing each other, a dance of the dead. Styx. Named after the river that separates the world of the living from the dead, in Greek mythology, Styx is one of Pluto's smallest moons. Nyx. Nyx, named after the Greek goddess of the night, is small and irregular, part of Pluto's mysterious entourage. Kerberos. Named for the three-headed dog guarding Hades, Kerberos is another small moon, adding to the mythic theme of Pluto's system. Hydra. Named after the multi-headed serpentine water monster in Greek myth, Hydra completes Pluto's roster of known moons, each adding to the lore of this distant, shadowy world. And that's it for the video, folks. I hope you enjoyed this journey through mythology and the vast wonders of the cosmos. If you love exploring the legends behind celestial bodies, uncovering the mysteries of the universe, and diving deep into ancient myths, then you're in the right place. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated on future videos. Let me know in the comments what topic you'd love to see next, whether it's more cosmic myths, legendary deities, or the hidden stories behind the stars. Your support helps keep this channel growing, and I can't wait to share even more amazing content with you all. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep looking to the stars.